Good morning, student. Dear student, in today's class we will start the new chapter, that is the profit and loss. Before we start the new chapter profit and loss, we will discuss about of the some definition which is related to the profit and loss. So let us start the chapter profit and loss. So the first definition is given as the cost price. What is the cost price? Which is abbreviated with the CP. Cost price. It is denoted by CP. What is the cost price? When you go to the market and some things or some item are purchased, you pay some rupees for that item. You pay some rupees for that item. That is the cost price. If a shopkeeper goes to market and he pays some rupees for that item, that is also cost price. So what is the cost price? The price of at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. The price at which the price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. This is called the cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price, written as CP. Now, the overhead expenses like sales tax, labor charge, cartage, its are included in the cost price. Now, when a shopkeeper comes to his shop and it will sell, when the article is when he sell the article, a shopkeeper sell the article, he get the some money. Or if you purchase the article and you want to sell that, when you sell that article, you get some money. That money is called the selling price. Now, second definition is selling price. The price at which an article is sold, it is denoted by SP. The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Is called selling price. This is called the selling price, and it is written as FP. Okay. Now, when you some article purchase and you sell, if the selling price will be more than the cost price, if the selling price is more than the cost price, then you get the profit. Again, if selling price is less than the cost price, then you get the loss. So, profit or gain. Next, profit or gain. SP is more than CP. When the SP is more than CP, you will get the profit or gain. Then the seller has gain or profit, and gain or profit is equal to SP minus CP. then our profit is equal to SP minus CP. Next, when SP is less than CP, you get loss, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. When you subtract SP from the CP, you will get the loss amount. Okay? Again, first you note it. Okay? Now we come on the next formula as a profit percent. Gain percent. So gain on rupees 100, gain on rupees 100 is called gain percent. How much he get the profit in the rupees 100 is called the gain percent, and gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100. Next, loss percent, that is loss on rupees 100 is called loss percent, and loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. This is the formula to find out the gain percent, and this is the formula to find out the loss percent. Okay? This is your formula first, and it is also loss. For the loss, there are 4 formulas. First you note it. Okay, some other formulas are given here. You will note it, that is SP. Formula number 4, SP. When you get gain, you know that gain is equal to SP minus CP. From this we can find that SP is equal to CP plus gain. CP plus gain. And you know that CP plus gain, you know that gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100. So from here gain is equal to gain percent into CP upon 100. So we put this value on at the place of gain, that is CP plus gain percent into CP upon 100. When you take the CP as a common, 1 plus gain percent upon 100. This is the formula, or you can write it CP into 100 plus gain percent whole upon 100. This is the SP. When you get the gain, so SP is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP. 100 plus gain percent upon 100 into CP, as well as same way. So this formula, and this is also the CP, SP, it is also the SP. You can find the value of SP by any way where gain or gain percent are given that. In the same way, when you want to find out the CP, you can find out the CP from here. From this, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent whole upon 100. When you transfer the SP, then 100 into SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent. So CP is equal to 100 into SP upon 100 plus gain percent. This is the formula for the CP when SP and gain percent is given that. Okay, so you note it, this and these two formula you will find out. here you can also write or SP is more than CP. Okay. Now next, now SP, find out SP and CP when SP is less than CP. When SP is less than CP. You know that SP is equal to, when SP is less than CP, then SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP minus loss. But you know loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. By this you will get that loss is equal to CP into loss percent upon 100. Now you put this value of the loss in this formula, you will get that is CP minus CP into loss percent upon 100. Sorry, upon 100. When you get the CP as a common, 1 minus loss percent upon 100. This is one formula, one form of the find out the SP, or SP is equal to CP 100 minus loss percent upon 100. This is also the formula of SP to find out the SP when loss percent and CP are given there. Again, CP we know SP is equal to CP 100 minus loss percent whole upon 100. When you transfer it, then 100 into SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent. Then CP is equal to 100 into SP upon 100 minus loss percent. To find out the CP when loss is given, when SP is less than CP. Okay, so you noted these two formula. Okay. So now we come on the exercise 11a. With help of this formula, we will solve all of the question of exercise 11a and 11b. In the 11a, exercise 11a, find the SP. Question number first, find the SP when in the first CP is given that and gain percent is given that CP is equal to rupees 950 and gain is equal to 6%. Then gain is given in the 6%. When CP and gain percent is given, that we know that SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent whole upon 100. Now we put the value of CP and gain percent in this formula. We will find the SP. Now 950 100 plus we will put here the gain percent, value of the gain percent, gain 6%, that is 6, only 6 upon 100, that is 950 into 106 upon 100. You will get 0, this cancel by 0, this cancel by 5, 5 on the 5, 5 9 the 5 to the 10 and 2 5 the 10 3. 93 the 57. You can check 53 multiplied by 19, 9 3 is 27, 7 0 10, 1000. This is the SP of show SP is equal to 1007, rupees 1007. Okay. Note it. Okay, now we solve the next question. In the question number 1, we will solve the question 4, where is CP and loss percent is given. CP, that is question 4. Here CP is equal to rupees 8640 and loss equal to 12 whole 1 upon 2. Here we know SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent whole upon 100. Now you put the value of loss percent and CP in this formula, you will get that SP, that is 8640 100 minus 12 whole 1 upon 2 whole upon 100, that is 8640 100 minus 25 upon 2 whole upon 100, that will be equal to 8640 200 minus 25 whole upon 200. This 2 will goes on the downside, that will make the 200. Now 8640 into 175 upon 200. 7, 8. Now 8 1 is 8. That is cancelled. Now we multiply, that is 1080 multiplied by 7. That is 0 7 0 0. 7 8 56. 7 is 7. This is your, so SP is equal to 7560. Okay, this is your answer. You note it. Okay student, in today's class we had discussed what are the sum formula, and we also solved the 2 questions from your exercise. The rest of the question we will solve in our next class. Okay, thank you, good day.